Ka United Democratic Party, hakasngi balang kalapan bana bakalajit, yau MLA barim ka Rajabala, wasahel disira kum kyrtong jongka, ban aireng haka election sitang samoy, kabanlong haka laipo terik mtau banai. Ya kane lapan bana da presiden ka parti, uba met ba aleng do, haba keren bat kilat patai kubor. Haka juga por lapan manapat, baha Mawryngkneng ka parti kalarai, ban kyrshan no yu kyrtong ka NPP, uba penyai singsim. Kum balong menta, nakilai teli ki konstituensi, keban leit haka election sitang samoy, ka UDP kasay tang arngut ki kyrtong, kata na Mawphor ban na Rajabala.
Had decided with regards to the by-elections in all the three constituencies. Last week we had already announced the name of Sri Eugene Lingdom Mawphor as our official candidate from the Mawphor constituency. The second one is for the Rajabala, 47 Rajabala constituency, where we had also decided and would like to announce today that our official candidate from the 47 Rajabala constituency is Sri Ashahel Dalbot Shira. He is the sitting MDC from the Batabari MDC constituency. He is contesting from our party, and since it's too short of a time to have him here with us, he came late last night and we had to complete all the formalities with regards to all the official matters, procedures which is to be followed, matters related to the party affairs. So we had decided yesterday for his candidature for this Rajabala constituency.
Former MLA.
Mr. Ashahel Dalbot Shira also would like to announce, and as you are all aware, that he was the MLA from the Rajabala constituency only.
2013.
From 2013 to 2018 as the member of the Legislative Assembly. The circle leaders have suggested that this time they will not field any candidate, and they would like to extend their support as the party to Sri Pinayat Same, who is the sitting MDC and the candidate from the NPP ticket. So, as the party at the state level, we have endorsed the decisions taken by the circle level, and we'll also like to announce that we will not be putting any official candidate from the party in the Mawryngkneng constituency. Since the local leaders have decided, because of different issues and different development activities within the constituency, therefore we also feel that it will be appropriate for us to extend the support to him and not to field any candidate. As recent MDC election, we have made our inroads as far as Garo Hills sector is concerned. In fact, we did not expect that the kind of vote banks that we got in the last MDC election was very, very encouraging for us. That Garo Hills also is one area where we can take part in the whatever coming elections. So this is one of the elections that we felt that by getting the right candidate for the right constituency, we will definitely take a call. So with regards to the Rajabala constituency, this time we had done proper analysis as far as the Rajabala constituency, and we felt that our official candidate, Ashel Dishira, will definitely win this election. This is what the feedbacks and the inputs that we got from the constituency. Sympathy will play to some extent, but candidate matters a lot. And I think it's a combination of both. As far as the decisions for Mawryngkneng and Mawphor, we had discussed not only at the party level, but with the consent of the RDA partners, which means HSPDP, which is another political party, have also endorsed the candidature of these candidates which we have put out for these two constituencies. I will not say at all because we don't have any kind of understanding at the state level as far as that part is concerned. But our support will be for Bapinyan. From one constituency to another constituency it differs. So our local friends who are our local leaders from the party within the circle felt that this is the time that we have to do that. So we also feel that, and because end of the day it is the local leaders who have to walk on the field. They would like to see that their candidate wins the election, definitely. But we also would like to assure that we will definitely work very hard for our candidate, by Eugene, for the Mawphor constituency, and ensure that he sails through. I wanted to one of your colleagues who asked me about sympathy vote. It is a combination of both, the candidate and the sympathy vote, definitely. We are very confident. We are, in fact, we decided to accept his candidature for Mawphor constituency based on some parameters which we have to measure as far as our candidate. As I have said, it's not just only sympathy, but it is also from the candidate side. So we have a very strong candidate, and he's a very young, very dynamic, very sporty, person. So I don't see any doubts why we cannot sail through that. And people of it is the people of that constituency only who, had gone and met him and convinced him that he should contest this election. It's not just from the family side. But well, at the end of the day, it is the consent from all sides. So they have taken the decisions. And we also felt that he is the right candidate for us. As far as Mawphor is constituency, he is the right candidate. They will say that. What do you expect from Congress to say? They'll definitely say that lack of governance and a lot of things. So what Congress has done in so many years, that also we also have the right to say on that. So we will come out with whatever in the right platform. As far as these matters are concerned, I think the police department is looking into it, and they are keeping a track on whatever as far as the media reports is concerned, the department feedbacks and all is concerned. So they are working on it. I have no comment on the other parties' affairs. I mean, what they feel is best for them. So, but at the end of the day, they have to be on the field for the election. They have to fight election. People will decide. People know much better than I know, I feel, as far as new parties. I think as of now, let me share with you, I'm not saying that UDP only is the best, but as far as the feedbacks and views and opinions of the people of the state, they feel that now only UDP, which is the only regional party which is there for a long time, we do have HSPDP also, but looking into all angles, I think UDP is the party now that people are looking at. So we are pitching on that and see that how we can take the way forward as far as the party is concerned. Not a hand in gloves, sir. I mean, we are part of the. UDP is part of the government, no doubt about it. That we will not deny that. But I think when it comes to elections, we will definitely voice our concern also in whatever areas we feel like. Why we need UDP at that time. So more you will get it on the field during our campaign, and that we will clarify to the people. Because if I clarify everything here from the party side, I think then we have nothing to say, to the people at the.
They have their own way of functioning. We have our own way of functioning.
Yeah, so that's what.